One of the most exciting and easy to start business model in 2021 is dropshipping. Dropshipping lets you choose what to sell, but finding the right niche requires a lot of hard work and patience. So it comes to the question of the most profitable dropshipping niche in 2021. Since it's June now, so in this video I will only talk about the most suitable niche to start in middle 2021. Hey guys, this is Zoe from CJdropshipping. Welcome to our channel. We cover the latest dropshipping products recommendations and hacks for finding winning products. If you haven't subscribed, please move your little finger and give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel now. Always remember to like that bell at the same time so that you won't miss out our latest product recommendations. Before we start talking about top niches, let's clarify what is a great niche first. What is a profitable niche? I believe there is no doubt that we're selecting products for a profit margin. First, low cost. It's also easier to sell low-cost items if they don't break the bank. This will make them more likely to make an impulse purchase. Second, small and light. To increase profitability, find small and light products that can minimize shipping costs. Not only will these items help you lower your expense, but will also help attract more customers. Third, already popular. The most important thing to consider when choosing a niche is whether it is already popular. If it isn't, you could end up wasting your money on expensive marketing campaign. Well, now we are on the same page for what is profitable niche. After applying all these rules, I come with a list of the hot selling niche in middle 2021. Pet. Millions of households worldwide has a pet. More and more young generations adopt a pet each passing day. And according to Amazon alone, it has shown a massive increase in demand of pet supplies. Although pet is a well-known niche, I have to say there are reasons for this niche to be popular for this long time. From Google Trends, we can see in the past 5 years, the search and demand for pet is stably increased worldwide. Pet products often has a high repurchase rate, which means we have a better chance of returning customers. Pet owners are looking for products that are unique and healthy. There are plenty of options when it comes to creating pet-friendly products. Many opportunities for cross-niche choice for pets, like travel, organic. Cross-niche can well trigger customers to buy impulsively. If you're looking for a sub-niche that are not as competitive as pet supplies in general, you should consider pet cooling accessories. The recent heat warning in the US make the weather is unbearable for both people and the pets, so the pet cooling accessories will be a great sub-niche for the next few months. Summer cooling pads for dog, neutral cooling pads, pet shower head with a brush comb, and a pet training bib are all great examples. Babies. Babies are born every day, and parents need a lot of supplies to keep their newborn baby happy and healthy. And babies grow fast, so parents will need to buy different supplies for every stage of baby. And the repurchase rate for baby and kids products are hard to say. High for small items and low for large items. However, once you build a trust with the parents, they will have higher loyalty to your brand than other customers. Also, selling products related to baby and kids is an indirect way to make money from parents. For example, this stroller bag. It can attach to the stroller and help organize daily nursery products. What's more important is it can free parents' hands of carrying lots of stuff. Talking to the parents and find out their pain points. You can looking for solutions to address these issues, and these products will make your store distinguished from others. Home and garden. Due to the impact of COVID-19, people were forced to stay at home in the beginning, then gradually getting used to stay at home. In any cases, after a long time of staying at home, we start to pay more time to decorate the home and finding ways to improve the living qualities at home. As you can see, there was a large surge increase for the home improvements in 2021, which was due to the pandemic outbreak at that time. When people slowly returned to their normal life and got used to the lockdown, search volume of the home improvements began to decline slightly, but still remained stable at an average higher point than the previous year. In the middle of 2021, the most popular sub-niche under home and garden will be garden decorations. solar-powered decor lights, wood pink style flower ring, and some general garden decoration are all great examples. You can find out more products on CJ Dropshipping. I have posted a link down in the description. If you don't have a CJ account, make sure you sign up for one, enjoying the unique product sourcing features and latest trending product recommendations. Sports and entertainment. Sports and entertainment don't really equal to fitness. It's more like a personal hobby for activities. The sports and entertainment industry is one of the most popular niche in today's world. It includes a wide variety of products such as cycling supplies, swimming supplies, water games, and so on. Search volume for outdoor activity has dramatically increased since the beginning of 2021, and now even reached the highest point, almost twice a regular peak point. Training bags, sports sunglasses, waterproof earplug, storage bag for bike, Velcro straps for bike, grip tapes, camping tent, camping lights are all great examples. What's more, with the impact of COVID-19, school hasn't opened and all kinds of summer camps were still remaining closed. So these middle-class families are facing the same concern. Where and how can their kids spend a meaningful and a valuable summer? So equipment has entertainment purpose. It can help with parents and child bonding are lovely options. Like this beach floating bag, it can help families spend time together on the beach or the swimming pool at home. Or maybe these skipping mats. Parents and the child can exercise together and practice at home. By the way, I'm here just giving out some example under each niche. I'm not saying you can start selling exactly the same products right now and you will have a 100% guaranteed reward. Mobile gaming. The gaming industry is well-known popular. Switch, PlayStation, Xbox, either you heard of them or have one of these. Maybe even several collections at home. And mobile gaming accounts for 50% of the global gaming industry. When the latest version of Call of Duty was released, it broke all the records. The mobile gaming market is expected to become more mainstream in 2021. This means that mobile gaming is becoming the future of gaming. These gadgets are becoming more prevalent in the market. As seen from Google search volume, more and more people have become interested in mobile gaming since June. The more interest in this gadget got, the higher chance people will purchase it. Game gadget products including game glasses, game controller, and headphone, etc. That's all the top 5 niches in middle 2021 I selected for you guys. I hope these 5 niches can help scale your e-commerce stores and start making money from now on. If you're looking for more products under all 5 niches, a huge welcome to explore them out on cjdropshipping.com. If you haven't become a CJ user, hurry up your time and sign up for today. Registration links are down in the below description area. If you like this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up to show your support to our channel and light that bell at the same time. Last but not least, we're about to do our first live stream on YouTube soon. So excited! We'll post a date and time on our community. Set your alarm clock and be sure to join with us. Thank you for staying until the end and see ya next time. Bye!